Hey everyone! If you're a trader looking for a reliable platform, you're in the right place. Today, I'm giving you an honest review of AvaTrade, one of the popular trading platforms out there. And yes, I've included the sign-up link in the description below so you can check it out yourself after this video. Alright, let's dive in. First off, AvaTrade offers a wide range of markets to trade in. Forex, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, you name it. This means you have plenty of opportunities to diversify your portfolio. One of the standout features is the user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, you'll find the platform easy to navigate. Now let's talk about the tools and resources. AvaTrade provides various educational materials, including webinars, ebooks, and even one-on-one training sessions. These resources are great if you're looking to sharpen your trading skills. And if you're into automated trading, you'll be happy to know that AvaTrade supports a range of trading bots and expert advisors. Security is crucial when it comes to trading platforms, and AvaTrade doesn't disappoint. They are regulated by multiple authorities globally, which adds an extra layer of trust and security. Your funds are kept in segregated accounts, and there's also negative balance protection. So, you can trade with peace of mind. Customer service is another area where AvaTrade excels. They offer 24/5 support through various channels like live chat, email, and phone. From my experience, they are pretty responsive and helpful, making your trading journey smoother. Now let's get to the cons. One downside is that the spreads can be a bit higher compared to some other platforms. Also, while they do offer a demo account, it has a limited duration. So if you're planning to practice long-term, you might find this a bit restricting. But overall, AvaTrade is a solid choice for traders at all levels. It combines a wide range of markets, user-friendly interface, robust security, and excellent customer service. If you're interested, the sign-up link is in the description below. Give it a click and see if AvaTrade is the right fit for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more trading tips and reviews. Happy trading, everyone!